Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting video, and you are watching Tech with Sam. And today I am here with a new video of Fantech Nova II Gamepad white version, and possibly this is the first video in English that you have found about the gamepad, because this gamepad is Indonesian, and most of the Indonesian guys are making videos about this. As I first bought this gamepad, I did not see a video in English that someone described well this gamepad, like how it works and is it worth to buy or not. So this is our gamepad, and this is the sound, clicking sound, and this has Hall effect. That means you will not your, like, what should say, your joystick will not get stuck, like you will not feel the movement likeness, or you will not roughness, like there is of goes that joystick get into the roughness, and like it always stuck here and things are moving like this way. And this is the model number of, and here you will total find like 1 2 3 4, and here for 8 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19, maybe almost total 19 button you will find in this gamepad. And here is the warranty card for this gamepad from official Fantech, and here you can see various kind of connections abilities are here. And this is a quick start guard, like you can connect this to your PC and phone by using USB cable. Also you can connect this gamepad, and the mode is Bluetooth 5.3, and there is also NATO and PS4 or PS3. There are various kind of indicator they have given to know that which device is connected to your gamepad. And here various kinds of functions, like this has gyro, what should I say, just maybe I mispronounced the word, maybe it's gyro. This gyro function will be enabled by pressing here and this button and this LT together. And this button, this method is only work for they have mentioned that X input, and you can change mode from Xbox to PS4. I tried to change mode this gamepad on my PC. It only works in wired mode. If you connect this through Bluetooth, you cannot change mode. So for this this gamepad will always connect as a PS4 controller to your PC, like it will only work on your Steam, but not Xbox controller. For this you will need another third-party app to work this, and there are various kinds of functions they have mentioned. You can read this if you want. And here is touchpad. Now I will connect this gamepad and show you how it works. Now my controller is connected to my PC wiredly. Here you can see, but it's only work here settings mode, but not another. If I go to the Steam, you can see it's still not working. Like I'm pressing the button, but it's not working. It will connect as a PS4, that's why it is not working. For this you will need another software called DS4 Windows. Go there and run the DS4 Windows X exe, and this will connect your controller. Sorry guys, you need to use this app when you will connect wirelessly, but in a wired mode you can change the PS4 to Xbox, like blue is PS4 and green is Xbox. Now it will work. Now it will work on the game. You can see my controller is working here perfectly. Like now it has connected as a Xbox controller. And if you try to connect it wirelessly, for this you have to turn on Bluetooth mode. For this you have to press the option button and this power button together, and it will blink like this way. And when it will blink, you will turn on Bluetooth on your PC, and you will see a controller name, wireless controller. This is your Nova 2 controller, and my controller is already connected, so I will just turn on the power and it will connect automatically. Now it has connected. It is working here, but if I try to play the game, it will not work there. I am showing you like this way. For this you will need a third-party software. Wait a minute, I have to. This app is called DS4 Windows. You have to download this. I will provide you the download link in the description. After downloading, extract the file and turn on the software. This will connect your Nova 2 controller to your Windows PC, because we all know that only Xbox controllers successfully work on the Windows, like PS4 controller will not work. Now it will turn your PS4 controller, what should I say, like Nova 2 controller on your PC like Xbox. Now you can see touchpad is working and our game will also work properly here. You can see now it is totally wireless mode and I am playing the games. So this is all about Fantech Nova 2 Gamepad, and I will tell you this is worth for buying. Like, not bad. You will have a decent controller for play almost all games. It support almost all game. Like, you can also use this gamepad on your PS4, PS3, also some Nintendo console and PC as well. So that's all about for this Nova Fantech video. If you find this video is useful, then don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.